These guys here, I got a little secret. They've been hiding. I've been thinking I've been getting 1 or 2, maybe 3 eggs. So I do a little digging. And look at there. And I got more in here. I started digging through some of this hay here, and I got a bunch that they've been hiding. So I'm gonna do a little digging around here and see what I can come up with. Oh look, we got a few more in here. Kind of been wondering why I've only been getting a few eggs out of so many ducks. And now I guess I know why. I think that's all of them, but let's see, we got 8 there, 3 in this corner, 2 in this corner. Oh man. 13 eggs. I don't know if they're too happy with me right now. After finding all those, look at what we have. Think we have plenty. One little lonely green Cayuga egg. If you didn't know, they lay them green and sometimes almost black or gray. Pretty cool. Got some frozen peas here. I like to just run some hot water on them. Thaw them out. Probably one of their favorite treats. And make sure they're not frozen and cold, because it's already cold outside. Alright, you want some peas? Look at them come. They go crazy over them. Mallard coming in for the landing. It's like a mad scramble. We'll get them over here now.